Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode from my What's in My Kids series. My name's Amia Serrano and I'm a fashion stylist. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In this series, I share everything that's in my styling kit, and I have an Amazon storefront which has everything that I share and things that are similar to in case Amazon doesn't have it that you can purchase yourself and add to your own kit. Or if you're not even a stylist and you're just curious and you just really want that item, you can get it too. That link is in my bio and it will take you straight there. And again, everything I share in this series will be on there. So on today's episode, I'm gonna be sharing rubber bands. I had bought a bag of rubber bands that are assorted sizes. And when I say assorted sizes, it's because they vary. You have like the skinnier ones, you have them getting a little bit thicker and even more thicker and a little bit thick, but also bigger. In these bag of rubber bands that you get, I don't know how many are in that bag specifically, but there's a lot. And you're not gonna need a whole lot, so you'll probably hang on to this bag for like ever. But I have different sizes because what I mainly use these for is rubber banding looks together when I put them together and have them set as like look 1, look 2, look 3, and they're in the same garment bag. I want to keep all looks rubber band together on the hangers so I can easily keep them organized on the rack when me or my assistant unpack everything and have the looks ready to go. And of course, you can use them for pretty much anything that comes up. Like for instance, you could use this bigger rubber band to rubber band box of shoes that aren't closing to make sure they stay closed, especially if you're shipping them. Something else you could be using them for is tying shirts in the back. Instead of like tying it in a bow or a knot, you can just get a rubber band and just do your thing. And it's good to have a bunch so that bag is clutch because they tend to break sometimes too, especially if you haven't used them for so long and I don't know, they kind of disintegrate or something. I don't know. It's happened to me in the past where I haven't used them for so long that they would just like easily break. I don't know why. That's science, but I'm not a scientist. I'm a stylist. And you can now shop these bag of rubber bands in my Amazon storefront at the Shop What's in My Kit link in my bio. Make sure to share, like, and subscribe for more.